Good day, guys. Welcome where maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to classify triangles by their sides. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it, guys. Now, before we start classifying triangles, let's understand what do we mean by a triangle. So a triangle is a 2D shape that is made up of 3 edges, 3 vertices, and 3 angles, right guys? Now the first type of triangle that we'll be talking about is what we call an isosceles triangle. Now in an isosceles triangle, 2 of its sides will be equal and the last side will be different. The second type of triangle that we'll be talking about is a scalene triangle. Now in a scalene triangle, all of its sides will be different. Now the third type of triangle that we'll be talking about is what we call an equilateral triangle. And by the word equi itself, we mean it's equal. That means all of its sides will be equal. Alright guys, now let's take this knowledge and let's start solving some questions. Now in question number 1, if we take a look at it, we see that we have one side as 3 inches, 5 inches and 7 inches. Now if we take a look at it, all of its sides are different. Now in a triangle, if all of its sides are different, we would call it a scalene triangle. Right guys? Now in question number 2, what we have here is 3 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. Now again, if you take a look at it, 2 of its sides are equal. And if 2 of its sides are equal, it goes by an isosceles triangle. Right guys? Now in question number 3, what we have is, we have all of its sides as 4 feet. And if all of its sides in a triangle are equal, that means it is an equilateral triangle. Now in question number 4, if we take a look at it, we see again that all of its sides are different. Now if all of its sides are different, we mean that it is a scalene triangle. Alright guys, and that is how we would classify triangles by their sides. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.